Hello everyone, everything good? Welcome to my channel. It's a pleasure to welcome you here. Let's talk a little about this error here. EEPROM memory is present in many electronic devices, especially large ones, such as computers, washing machines, air conditioners, among others. But what is an EEPROM? EEPROM is a programmable read-only memory that can be electrically erased. In other words, it is a permanent memory that is stored on the board and retains the information even without power. To erase the information, specific rewriting equipment is required. Some EEPROMs are recorded with UV radiation, while others are recorded electrically. For these, the component is inserted into a support connected to a board connected to the computer, where software transmits information electrically to this memory. This explains the name electrically erasable programming. The memory is erased electrically, not with UV radiation. In short, EEPROM is a permanent memory fixed to the board. This component is technically called an integrated circuit, but it is popularly known as a chip. This chip usually has 8 terminals, and in many cases there is a paper label on it. This label is used to protect the memory from UV radiation in EEPROMs recorded using this method. Even in air conditioners where EEPROMs are recorded electrically, you can find them with this label. In some air conditioners there is an EEPROM in both the internal evaporator and external condenser units. The manual usually tells you where it is located. In your case, the error is being displayed on the internal unit board, which is located inside the room. The function of the EEPROM is to store settings, such as user preferences, desired temperature, operating modes, and program times. In addition, it stores critical information about the device's operating history, such as usage time counters, error codes, and maintenance records. In the event of a power failure, the EEPROM allows the equipment to resume operation from where it left off, without losing important data. If the EEPROM has a problem, the equipment may display an error indicating that this memory is compromised. Now that you know what the EEPROM is and where to find it on the board, let's see how to solve the problem. There are 3 possible paths. Replacing the EEPROM. Check if the EEPROM is available on the market, either in electronics component stores or directly from the manufacturer. Identify the exact EEPROM code on the board and look for it. Once you find the part, take the board to a technical service center to desolder and solder the new EEPROM. Generally, the EEPROM is soldered in 2 ways. In the traditional way, where it is soldered from below, in this case a soldering iron and a solder sucker are enough, or using SMD technology, where it is soldered from above the board, requiring a heat gun. This last technique requires more skill to avoid short circuits. Rewriting the EEPROM. If the EEPROM is no longer available on the market, you will need to look for a technical service center specialized in rewriting EEPROMs for air conditioning units. They have the software and equipment necessary to perform this recording. Replacing the entire board. If you can't find a compatible EEPROM and don't have someone to rewrite it, the last resort is to replace the entire board, which already comes with a factory EEPROM. This method is more expensive, but it definitely solves the problem. These are the main solutions for this type of problem. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content, and until the next video,